The capital of the Indian state of West Bengal is Kolkata, formerly known as Calcutta. Kolkata has earned the moniker, Cultural Capital of India. It is well known for places like the Victoria Memorial, Howrah Bridge, and the Old North Kolkata district. Fervent love of cricket. The city is also renowned for its delicious street food and its fervent love of cricket. A distinctive fusion of tradition and contemporary exists in Kolkata. Meet the Raju family, who live in Kolkata Historical Centre. A passionate cook at a prestigious three-star hotel, Raju was committed to producing delectable dishes that satisfied the palates of many. Sona, Raju's wife, served as the foundation of their house. She led the family with dignity and tenderness, making sure Sugi and Sunil got the love and attention they required. The eldest child, Sugi, inherited her father's passion for cooking. She had been by his side in the kitchen from a young age, eager to acquire the culinary techniques he had mastered over the years. Sugi wanted to become a famous chef like her father, and that was her goal. The younger son, Sunil, was enthralled by the world of literature, which was a new interest. He spent his free time at the neighborhood library reading books and learning about the world outside of Kolkata. His goal in life was to write books and tell the world about them. A magnificent fusion of tastes could be found in the Raju family's lives, both in the kitchen and in their interactions. Raju frequently cooked delectable meals for his family, each one a labor of love. Sona made sure that their house was a happy place by having a nurturing mentality. Sugi's father served as her mentor and guidance as she developed her culinary abilities. Together, they experimented with recipes and methods to produce meals that their family enjoyed. Raju was incredibly proud of the talent and commitment of his daughter. Sunil, on the other hand, gave his writing all of his creative energy. He started writing stories that were influenced by the tastes of Kolkata and his family's experiences. His remarks conjured up vivid images of their relationship, way of life, and sumptuous meals that brought them together. The Raju family prospered as a result of their diligent labor and constant support for one another. Sugi soon rose to prominence as a cook in her own right, and Sunil's stories won acclaim and fans from all over the world. The culinary dreams of the Raju family is a touching account of a family bound together by love and passion, where the kitchen served as the canvas for their hopes and aspirations. It serves as a reminder that dreams of all kinds can come true when they are cultivated with affection and encouraged by family.